everyone. My name is Johan. This is my first module from 𝐓𝐇𝐄𝐘 Speaking Damansara. Today, I would like to talk about my dream job. I want to become a professional badminton player. Why do I want to become a badminton player? Because I love playing badminton. I want to become my role model. 𝐷𝒂𝒂𝒕. What are the tools I'll use? My tools are: number 1, badminton racket. Number 2, shuttlecocks. Number 3, sport shoes. Number 4, socks. What you do to me? Number 1, bring the racket. Number 2, using different strokes. Number 3, proper serving form. Number 4, timing. Number 5, hand-eye coordination. Number 6, footwork. I'm learning all the skills at school now. How many hours am I going to train? I'm going to train for 3 hours a day. I'm learning all the skills from Coach Sabrina. She is a very dedicated and hardworking coach who is supporting me. I am grateful for having wonderful parents who support and encourage me. In order to go pro in badminton, dedicated and rigorous practice is the key. I will study and work hard to make my dream come true. Dream it, believe it, achieve it. Thank you.